Here's TONHUB app Ton Wallet. So let's just try to install it. It's a nice alternative to TonKeeper app. So if you're not happy with TonKeeper or Telegram, TonSpace, then try it out this one. However, TonKeeper is kind of like the standard right now, but you can also use TONHUB to connect in Notcoin. So here it is. So TONHUB, Ton Wallet, added. So basically there you have it. Send, receive, store or stake TonCoin on the Ton blockchain. No registration or personal information required to get started. Compatible with all existing Ton wallets. Ton is a network designed for speed and throughput. Fees are usually significantly lower than on other blockchains, and transactions get confirmed in a matter of seconds. So yep, that's just what you have here, and then you can just open it up, get a new wallet or create a new one. Basically how it works, you need to first have a recovery phrase, and then you need to enter a PIN code, and then after that you're just enabling your Face ID, and that's it. So super fast to get started. And then you just get in your first wallet, that's your address. Then if you want to, you can tap add wallet and add another wallet. You see your wallet address, which you can copy, and then you have your Ton balance, you have your USDT. Then there is also what's that is like a holders card, join the group and to hold the Ton backed payment card. That's something new. You don't have that in TonKeeper. But yeah, here you have receive, you can send, and you can scan in the top right. You can also stake, liquid staking, it's in beta. And then you have history. You have also browser where you can just browse all the extensions, more like your security theme, search engine. And if you want, you can go and delete your account here in the bottom. So yep, that's the process here. Yeah, super easy app. And then in Notcoin, you can go and connect TonHub wallet instead of TonKeeper, for example. So